Morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to the fifth edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz Competition and the ninth in the regional qualifiers. This quiz is organized by Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with Ghana Education Service and DEXT Technologies. We appreciate our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Akosua-Dixon, for her continuous support. We also recognize and appreciate the leadership of the Chair of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz Board, Professor Kwesi Prekon, and all board members. Let me use this opportunity to salute the heads of the various schools competing in this year's contest. I applaud the dedicated teachers who have spent time in preparing the contestants for this contest. I also salute the gallant students proudly representing their schools in this competition. Let me use this opportunity to appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We truly appreciate and are deeply grateful to you. KNUST e-Learning Center, we say just a click. KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, we say lifelong learning, an essential key for development. DEXT Technologies, practical science is now practical. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, we are grateful for your generous contribution. GMPC Foundation, impacting lives. SteadyX, thank you for coming on board. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we say great food lives here. Ponjo Images, we keep your memories alive. And to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you for your continuous support. Remember that the JSMQ program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life sciences and the physical sciences. It is expected to promote teamwork and critical thinking right from an early stage in our academic life. At this juncture, I would like to introduce our contestants for this morning's quiz. We have WELLSPRING School, and it is represented by WELLSPRING. Tell me your name.
I'm Love Obimpe.
I'm Emmanuel Yankson.
Thank you. You are welcome. Premier Insight Academy is represented by
Jeremiah Kofi Boabi.
Kwabna Boabi.
Well done and welcome. Accra Grammar School is represented by
Benedicta Doayeno.
And Jonathan Bossen.
Thank you, and you are all mostly welcome. My name is Dr. Ama Abuajo-Alabi from the Department of Biochemistry and Biotechnology here at KNUST, and I'm going to be your quiz mistress for this morning. Let me give you some general rules, contestants, before we continue. I would like to do a buzzer test. So can I hear the sound from the buzzer for WELLSPRING School? Thank you, WELLSPRING. Premier Insight Academy. Thank you, Premier Insight. Accra Grammar School. Thank you, Accra Grammar School. So listen attentively. For your main question, you don't need to press the buzzer. If a school is answering its main question, the other two schools should please wait for them to exhaust their 2 attempts or until their time is up before they press their buzzers. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1, which is fundamentals. Round 2, which is fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3, which is science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. Contestants, I will actually be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. So we are about to begin. Round 1, fundamentals. Listen to the instructions. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question nullifies your answer. Thus, no point is scored even if you are right. So think carefully before pressing your buzzer. All the best to all of you, and we are going to start now. Question 1 is actually a preamble to all schools. State the meaning of the following internet-related terms. WELLSPRING School, FTP. File transfer protocol is correct. Premier Insight Academy, HTTPS. Your time is up. A bonus. Yes, Accra Grammar.
Hypertext transfer protocol secured.
That is correct. Accra Grammar School, your main question. HTML.
Hypertext markup language.
That is correct. This question is also a preamble to all schools. Balance the following chemical equations. Premier Insight Academy. AFE2O3 plus BH2, giving a product of CFE plus DH2O.
Three Fe2O3 plus 3H2 going into 6Fe plus 3H2O.
That is incorrect. Try again. Bonus. Time is up. We're going on a quick commercial break.
Go this area, right? Go this area. Iron is Fe.
Hello, contestants. Sorry about that. I have to modify the questions again for that particular preamble. So listen carefully. We are starting the second preamble again. Balance the following chemical equations. So Premier Insight Academy. Fe2O3 plus H2 giving Fe plus H2O.
Fe2 2O3 plus 3H2 going into 2Fe plus 6H2O.
That is incorrect. Try again.
Fe2O3 plus 3H2 going into 2Fe2 plus 3H2O.
That is incorrect. Bonus. Accra grammar.
Fe2O3 plus 3H2 equal to 2Fe plus 3H2O.
That is correct. Accra Grammar School, your major question. C4H10 plus O2 giving CO2 plus H2O. Time is up. Bonus. Yes, Premier Insight.
C4H10 plus 5O2 going into 4CO2 plus 5H2O.
That is incorrect. Wellspring School, your major question. H2SO4 plus NaOH giving Na2SO4 plus H2O. Time is up. Bonus. Premier Insight, go ahead.
9/2H2SO4 plus Na2OH going into Na2SO4 plus 5H2O.
That is incorrect. The next set of questions is a preamble to all schools. Give the function of the following organs. Accra Grammar School, trachea.
The trachea, also known as the windpipe, allows food to pass through it to be able to go through the stomach.
That is incorrect. Bonus. Premier Insight.
Is the windpipe used to transport oxygen into the lungs?
That is correct. Wellspring School, larynx.
The larynx helps to
Time up. Bonus. Yes, Premier Insight.
The larynx, also known as the voice box, prevents food from traveling to the lungs.
That is incorrect. Okay. Premier Insight Academy. Intercostal muscle. Intercostal muscle. Time up. Bonus. ACCRA grammar.
the intercostal muscle allows the diaphragm to contract and expand to allow for respiration to occur.
That is correct. Explain the following. Wellspring School. How a battery works. How a battery works.
A battery converts electrical energy A battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy.
Okay, I'll give you 1 out of 3. Premier Insight Academy. How a fuse works. How a fuse works. Bonus. ACCRA grammar.
The fuse is found in the 3-pin plug and is used to prevent earthing.
I will give it to you. ACCRA Grammar School. Why an electrical switch works. How an electrical switch works.
It is used to turn on and off.
Time up. Premier Night Insight. Time up. Wellspring School. Your main question. The ages in years of 10 children at a party are 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If a child is chosen at random, what is the probability that he or she is not less than 5 years old?
Two on 5.
That is correct. Premier Insight Academy. The ages in years of 12 students in a class are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. If a student is chosen at random, what is the probability that the student is 9 years old or older.
One over two.
That is correct. Accra Grammar School. The ages of 15 children in a daycare are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If a child is selected at random, what is the probability that the child is less than 5 years old?
One out of three.
That is correct. This question is a preamble to all schools. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. Accra Grammar School. The calyx and corolla of a flower collectively form a perianth.
True.
That is correct. WELLSPRING School. The sepals of a flower can also synthesize food.
True.
That is correct. Premier Insight Academy. Flowers with brightly colored petals are usually pollinated by wind.
False.
That is correct. WELLSPRING School. Carbon is stored in the form of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas.
True.
That is correct. Premier Insight Academy. Oceans act as a carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere.
True.
That is correct. Accra Grammar School. Carbon cannot be found in rocks or sedimentary formations.
False.
That is correct. On that note, we come to the end of round 1. We would like to say a big thank you to our sponsors, KNUST E-Learning Center, KNUST IDL, Dext Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, GMPC Foundation, SteadyX, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and Kesbin TV. At the end of round 1, WELLSPRING School has 13 points. Premier Insight Academy has 10 points. Accra Grammar School has 16 points. Round 2, fastest finger. Round 2 is the fastest finger. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestant must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. But take note, a wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. So best wishes to all of you. The questions. A method of separating mixtures by removing the liquid layer from the precipitate is Accra Grammar.
Decantation.
That is correct. The temporary storage area used to store data that is being transferred between 2 devices or processes is called Accra Grammar.
Random access memory.
That is incorrect. Wellspring School.
Read-only memory.
Incorrect. The correct answer is buffer. Name the vegetative organs of flowering plants. Wellspring School.
Seeds.
Incorrect. Try again. Root, stem, and leaves is the correct answer. In the following series, a wrong number is given. Find out that number. 4, 5, 10, 18, 34, 59, 95. The correct answer is 10. Calculate the resistance of a wire if the current flowing through it is 5 amps and the voltage across it is 10 volts. Accra Grammar.
The answer is 2.
The bell timed out before you answered. The set of rules Oh, okay, so you were correct. I understand your microphone was off. So I will. So even though you mentioned the correct answer, you did not include the unit. So I will not give you that point. So the next question, pay attention. The set of rules that govern the exchange of data between devices on a network is known as a Premier Insight.
Protocol.
That is correct. The anther consists of male sex cells known as ACCRA grammar.
Pollen grains.
That is correct. If a car travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours, what is its average speed? Yes, Premier Insight.
50 kilometers per hour.
50 kilometers per hour is correct. And that correct answer brings us to the end of round 2. We cannot not say thank you to our sponsors. KNUST E-Learning Center, KNUST IDL, Dext Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans, GMPC Foundation, Chicken Man, Pizza Man, SteadyX, Fonjo Images, and Kesben TV. At the end of round 2, for round 2, WELLSPRING School, you get -2 points. Premier Insight Academy, you get 8 points. ACCRA Grammar School, you get 6 points. So the total points at the end of round 2, WELLSPRING School, 11 points. Premier Insight Academy, 18 points. ACCRA Grammar School, 22 points. Well done. Well done to the various contestants. Before we go on to round 3, there is substitution. WELLSPRING School, Love is going out and Sarsa is replacing Love. Let's give Love a round of applause as she steps down. You are actually welcome, Selassie. You are welcome. Round 3 is our science and technology round. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete this task. Round 3 is powered by Dext Technologies. So your preamble, contestants, you have been provided with 2 color filters, red and blue, and a red, green, blue RGB light module with a battery. Fix the battery and perform the following tasks. 1. Turn on the blue light and observe it through the red filter. Turn on the green light and observe it through the red filter again. 3. Turn on the red and green light and observe it through the red filter. Your tasks: turn on the blue and red light at the same time and observe it through the blue filter. Turn on the green and red light at the same time and observe it through the blue filter. Write down the colors observed in task 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Explain why some colors were not showing when observed using the color filters from the RGB light. Good luck to all competing schools. Your time starts now. 3 minutes more to go. Minutes more to go. Hello, contestants. Time is up. Thank you very much. Time is up. Your works are going to be checked and marked. Thank you.
the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dext Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
Welcome back from round 3. So for this round, contestants, after your task, you were supposed to write down the colors you observed in the task given and explain why some colors were not showing. So the colors you were supposed to see were violet and some amount of red for task 1. For task 2, yellow, 3 red, 4 blue, 5 green color. And for the answer why some of the colors were not shown, it's because each color from the visible spectrum has a specific wavelength. So it's at that specific wavelength that they will be able to show. So contestants, ACCRA Grammar gets 6 points because you could not get task 2 and you could not really explain why some colors don't show. Premium Insight also gets 7 points. You could not get tasks 1 and 2, but got the other tasks, and you could explain why the colors also were not showing. WELLSPRING, you get 7.5. You were able to show the task, you were able to explain it, but you could not tell us accurately why some colors did not show. So at the end of round 3, we would still like to say thank you to our sponsors, KNUST e-learning, KNUST IDL, Dext Technologies, GMPC Foundation, Fonjo Images, Kesben TV. So at the end of round 3, WELLSPRING School, you get a total of 18.5 points. Premier Insight Academy, you get a total of 25 points. ACCRA Grammar School, you get a total of 28 points. Well done to each and every one of you. You are doing very well. So we are now going to round 4. Round 4. This round is the riddles round. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points will be awarded. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication, 3 points. 1 attempt only is permitted. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question and nullifies your answer, even if it is correct. So all the best, listen attentively, and this is round 4. Riddle 1. I am a networking device. I connect computers within a local area network. Yes, Premier Insight.
Local area network.
I operate at the data link layer of the OSI model. I can send data to specific devices on the network. I help manage data traffic efficiently. Who am I? Yes, ACCRA grammar.
A router.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is swish. Riddle 2. I am a parasite. I am found on farm animals like cattle, sheep, and goats. I suck the blood of my host to survive. Yes, Premier Insight.
Tick.
That is correct. So you got the answer on the third clue. The third clue. Well done. Riddle 3. I am a simple molecule. I can exist as a solid, liquid, or a gas. I am essential. Yes, Wellspring.
Camel.
I am essential for life. That much we know. My properties. Yes, ACCRA grammar.
Water.
That is correct. You got it correct on the 4th clue. Well done. Riddle 4. I am well-known property in mathematics. I allow numbers to switch places without changing the result. ACCRA grammar.
Commutative property.
That is correct. You got it correct on the 2nd clue. And that correct answer brings us to the end of round 4, and thus the end of this competition. Well done to all our contestants. Each of you is a bright star that can only continue to shine ever brightly. Before I give you the final results, I would like to say thank you to Care University E-Learning Center, to Care University IDL, to Care Dext Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, GMPC Foundation, StudyX, Pizza Man Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and to our media partners, Kesben TV. We appreciate you all for your sponsorship and your support. At the end of round 4, Wellspring School gets 0 points, Premier Insight Academy gets 4 points, and Accra Grammar School gets 8 points. Give a hand of applause to each of the schools. You have all done very well. So finally, at the end of this morning's competition, WELLSPRING School gets 18.5 points. Clap for them, they have done well. Premier Insight Academy gets 29 points. And finally, Accra Grammar School wins this competition with 36 points. Congratulations to each and every one of the schools competing today. A competition well fought and well done. Congratulations to all of you. Have a good day and see you another time. Thank you very much.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experienced what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this it is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.